Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sheikh Ifra Fatima, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Physics and Electronics, Dr. Rafiq Zakaria Campus, Maulana Azad College, Aurangabad. I am going to present my work on dendritic fractal patterns of lead in electrodeposition process using circular cell geometry. This presentation consists of introduction, aims and objectives, experimental setup, electrodeposition of lead, effect of cell operating conditions, lastly, result and conclusions. Introduction. As we know that classical methods of geometry are insufficient to describe natural shapes because of its complexity, in the year 1975, Benoit Mandelbrot coined the term fractal. Fractals are irregular and complex geometrical shape which can be further divided into section, and each section is the replica of the whole object. Its characteristic features are at all scale it has fine structure, it possesses the property of self-similarity. So what is self-similarity? If an object or any geometrical pattern is magnified, the shape of the magnified portion of that pattern will look approximately the same as that of the original pattern. Then and only then we can say that the object or geometrical pattern possesses self similarity. Another most important property of a fractal is scale invariance. So if the feature of the object do not change even if the scale is varied up to a certain limit, then the object is said to have the property of scale invariance. The aims and objectives were to study growth of dendritic pattern using electrodeposition technique to characterize irregular shapes, and to study the effect of cell operating conditions on growth and development of dendritic patterns, and application of suitable techniques for determination of fractal dimension. For the purpose of study, electrodeposition cell was designed and constructed using perspex. The main part of this setup is the acrylic plate of thickness 3 mm that carried a circular cavity to accommodate the electrolyte to be studied as shown in figure. A thick white circular border forms the electrolyte compartment, and a circular metallic anode is placed within the circular space and the cathode pin at its center. This top plate was mounted on a rectangular box made from acrylic sheet as shown in the figure, and the whole electrodeposition cell was kept inside the constant temperature bath to maintain the temperature constant. For electrodeposition of dendrites from lead, 1 molar lead acetate solution was used as an electrolyte, and the electrodeposition was studied at different self operating voltages, that is 3 volt, 5 volt, 7 volt and 10 volt at room temperature. Here we can see the images of grown dendritic patterns of lead at different cell operating voltages 3 volt, 5 volt, 7 volt and 10 volt. The growth of fractal pattern exhibit tendency to grow branches and sub-branches in accordance with crystal structure. Therefore, the deposits are in the form of leafy patterns. When cell operating voltage is 3 volt, there are shorter branches. In case of 5 volt and 7 volt, prominent longer branches are seen, and at 10 volt there is rapid growth of branches. Also fine hairy tentacles develop at faster rate. These tentacles being poor in mechanical strength tend to move in electrolyte. This causes masking effect for inner branches. The fully developed fractal pattern is then subjected to analysis using box counting technique. Characterization. Here we are using box counting technique to determine fractal dimension, which is the measure of complexity. In this method, using computer program, number of boxes required to cover the entire image using boxes of different sizes are recorded and tabulated with its log values. Using the log values, graphs are plotted. As we can see, all graphs show straight line pattern, which shows that self similarity is followed and pattern obtained is a fractal. Result: the power law exponent and fractal dimensions obtained for the 4 electrodeposits using 1 molar lead acetate solution at different voltages are summarized in the table given. Here we can see that all the values of R square are close to unity, confirming the presence of self-similarity in scale invariance as the power law is obeyed, and all the 4 patterns are fractals. So here are the conclusions. It is seen that the fractal dimension is in the range of 1.44 to 1.51, which is close to the standard DLA characteristic fractal dimension. The cell operating voltage is increased from 3 volt to 7 volt. The proportion of random motion of ions is reduced relatively. Thus, the pattern deposited deviate more and more from the DLA-like patterns, and hence the deposit exhibit lower fractal dimension at higher voltages. For the electrode deposit at 10 volt, the fractal dimension appears to be slightly higher. The reason behind this is that at higher currents, flow of ions is enhanced, which in turn contributes to thicker deposits and formation of thicker and wider branches. Additionally, the formation of fine hairy tentacles that tend to move in unspecified direction due to convection currents mask the movement of ions. A combined influence of such processes result in growth of a pattern that exhibits slightly higher fractal dimensions. And this is the end of presentation. Thank you.